If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush won't charge or power on, the issue is usually related to the battery or charging system. Start by checking the outlet and adapter. Plug the charger into a different wall socket and confirm the power indicator is working. Then inspect the charging base and the bottom of the toothbrush handle. Toothpaste residue, moisture, or corrosion on the contacts can block proper charging. Wipe both surfaces clean using isopropyl alcohol and let them dry fully. If it still won't respond, try a full reset cycle. Place the toothbrush on the charger for 24 hours. Remove it, hold the power button for about 30 seconds, then return it to the charger for another full day. For stubborn cases, let the battery completely drain before charging continuously for 48 hours. Smart models can also be reset by holding the power and intensity buttons together for around 10 seconds. If runtime has shortened significantly after 2 or 3 years, natural lithium battery wear may be the cause. In that case, repair or battery replacement may be the best solution.